Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be showing you my taco spaghetti recipe. All the information and ingredients will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you check down there. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and come back next week for more videos. Let's go ahead and get started. Now for this recipe, all you need is cooking oil, tomato paste, taco seasoning, diced tomato, a full can. This can is 14.5 ounces. You're also going to need 3 cups of water and the spaghetti of your choice. And of course you're going to need meat. You can either use ground beef or ground turkey. Today we're going to go with ground turkey. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put a small amount of cooking oil into your frying pan. I use olive oil, and then once the oil is heated up, go ahead and add in your meat of choice and break up your meat until it is fully cooked through. If you would like to add that half cup of onions, this would be the time when you add it in. And in a few seconds, you will get to see my little cooking assistant. Hi, baby boy. How you doing? Are you listening to your music? Alright, so just continue and break up the meat until it is fully cooked. If you would like to drain the meat, you can. I never do. Once it's fully cooked, we're going to go ahead and add in our ingredients. First, add an entire packet of taco seasoning. Next, add your diced tomatoes. When you add in your tomato paste, I don't use a specific amount. I always put in however much I feel to be necessary. You really can't go wrong adding in the tomato paste. Just put in as much as you feel is necessary for your recipe. Now put in 3 cups of water. Mix it all together and then add in your spaghetti of choice. I recommend breaking the spaghetti noodles in half. If you leave them full length, they will not fit in the frying pan. Again, put in as much as you feel necessary, but make sure that they are completely covered with the water. At this point, I lower the temperature slightly and set the timer for 15 minutes. Give it one last stir, cover it up, and we'll have a little break time with Jacob. Say hi now! Oh! That was my little cooking helper. Huh? That's my little cooking buddy. You happy for it? Oh, you're gonna squish Mama's face. I don't want to. Okay, I'll put you down. Oh. Alright, so continue to stir your spaghetti every couple of minutes until the timer goes off. Once the timer goes off, there are a couple of additional ingredients that you can add. You can add cilantro leaves, and you can also add some Mexican cheese. I highly recommend the Mexican cheese. Go ahead and add it on once everything is cooked. There is no exact measurement. Go ahead and put on as much as you would like. Let it sit covered for a few minutes and you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please leave a comment down below telling me how it turned out for you and your family. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please come back next week for more videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Here is the final dish and my husband's hand. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and please don't click out until you see my handsome son and me playing. Isn't he adorable? My little cooking assistant. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.
I love you. My little love. You. Oh, look at my hand. Look at my hand. He's a little peanut butter cup.